yuta na sud. Yuta na sud iko na ini dami septic no.
Fast. Yeah, yeah. Tsaka only on people.
Cut a hole.
Yeah, yeah.
Agi lang tao.
All right.
Pag lang simento.
Okay. So if we don't do anything, then we have to have. Then it's always full.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, today we're rectifying a little problem here with the septic tank. We noticed that the toilet was gurgling as we tried to flush the toilet. And so I figured as much, that the septic tank was full here. After we've been here for using it for about a year now, a little over a year. Now these, the septic that they use here, as you can see, that surface area there is about a 6x8 top on it, and then that's all you get. It goes down there, I think about 6 feet or so. And being that this rock here is very permeable, it just goes from there. Well, as you can tell, this septic system is nothing like we have in the United States, where you have a tank and then you have a field. There's no way to make anything like that here because it's all made out of rock. And so I think usually you're supposed to have your septic pumped every 3 years over there in the good old USA. And here it's just whenever it fills up. So like I said, it lasted about a year or so. Okay, well, the pumping has begun. We'll see how long this takes. Okay, I'm starting to see some solid waste come up here now. It's getting down there.
Flooring nimo sa lalom.
Mura po man siguro kay dapat palit na mo ini kay lano mo gud ni sila.
Amo yuta na sud. Yuta na sud iko na ini dami septic no. Murag ako ito sok niya man matanaw yun.
Well, that's the hose is still going.
Flooring siya. Amo na ginakulo ng tubig.
Naka-flooring siya.
Parang murag
You know that what happened?
What's wrong?
The septic tank is the flooring. It's a flooring, my love. You
Flooring,
cannot
what do you
absorb the water that
It's
you have a
there's
floor. That's put the cement.
yeah. So it gets trapped in there.
Yeah, if you want, he said, you need somebody to open that and do no, just like nothing but the
We
cement
did
there.
take the top off of this thing and get in there.
Yeah, they can do the broken the cement.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
the water they can
Well,
observe that.
Tell them that the problem is that this house sat empty for
yeah, I already
years.
told that. Yeah, we bought that house. Everything already here.
Yeah.
That we
So
don't know what happened. Yeah.
yeah, it probably dried and that's
Yeah,
it, right?
what you want? You can open this one and somebody was.
Well,
Bukayin
I
niya.
wouldn't. What I would like.
Masulay ng bayo.
Okay.
Huh?
Tao naman magkalaw sila.
Okay.
Can they
Bangga lang yung dire, makagi lang yung tao.
Oo.
Tapos kung buhot na dito sila, kung lang kadako, okay na ni.
Oo.
So maka-absorb lang ako.
Okay. You know what happened? They can open that. Maybe the people can pass that in the septic tank. Then they can digging that there in the flooring
Okay.
that may not.
do they do that?
Makakuan mo karon or what?
Karon. Ilong among pangayo, bali pakyaw naman yung tao ni pakyaw.
Palay pakyaw ninyo.
Uban na ang suyo o bakbak panauban.
20. Too expensive.
20,000.
Yeah.
20,000. Okay. And then what do? They just
Broken that the flooring there.
Well, I know, but they just cut a hole, or
Yeah, yeah.
they take the whole top off
No,
of
no,
it.
that's only here. They can only people can pass.
Makagi lang.
Yeah, yeah. Just only on people.
Cut a
can-
hole.
Yeah, yeah.
Makagi lang tao.
All right.
Tapos
Yeah.
padlang simento.
Okay. So if we don't do anything, then
yeah,
we have to have.
always full. Yeah,
Then it's always full.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. If we got it fixed, then how often do you usually have to pump it? Ask them.
What you say?
How often do you? If we had it fixed,
Yeah.
then you have to pump it. How often?
How often? I don't
How
know.
often? It's 1 year. We pumped it.
No.
Now, if you
because,
fix it-
if they have a water that always the water was always absorbed in the mud. Yeah. Always dry. Always dry na, my love. Because they
Yeah.
cannot dry because they have a cement.
Sa ato ang itong mayo ba?
Oh.
Purpose ba?
You guys want to use the hose?
My love. That's only mud.
Ini na tama ko diri gamay na lang mo.
Okay. It's all mud. Muddy. It's,
Yeah, I know, honey.
that's why you need to some people clean that there.
Yeah. Well, what I would like is to have a whole new top put on this thing and go like this instead of like that with it.
Yeah, that's
see?
why he
It's
wants
slanted.
to open. Yeah, that's why he wants to open that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, anyways, we're told that we have a problem that on the bottom of the tank it's dry and there's a dry layer there and it's not letting the liquid permeate through the bottom, and so it would cost us 20,000 pesos to have the top opened up and have that dried out layer down there busted out because the house was sitting empty for years. So we're probably not going to do that right away. We're going to see how long it takes to have to bring these guys back here next time.
Hindi na to bawasan mo. So. Isog tabahon mo sila naman yan. Itaw naman po
Sure mong going mag-decision, anak. You can decision that me. Yeah.
We'll decision it when it fills up next time, and if it
Yeah.
Hindi mo naman, purma na isa. Ang paggamang septic,
Oo.
purma pa sila.
Okay, it's getting thick now.
Kaya, muna bilhin mo. Anong nga itong, buwan ko lang hulo. Kaya mo na,
Okay, we're wrapping it up. It took about, how long, honey? About 20 minutes to do this?
I don't know.
20 minutes or so to pump that out. 4,000 pesos, which is $75 or so. Now, the last time I had a septic pumped in Florida, it was about $300, $350.
I don't see that that's Habwa because the you know what is inside there. You have seen it.
Yeah, well, this place, Habwa, it's called Habwa Septic and Plumbing, has numerous stickers on every single utility pole in all over the island of Panglao and in Tagbilaran City. Every single utility pole has a sticker with their number on it. Okay, so I was observing, I said, I see their number all over the place, but I never saw a truck of theirs. And the reason is because it doesn't say anything on the truck. It doesn't look like a typical pumping truck. It's just a plain old truck. So I've probably seen them many times. There goes the Habwa, guys. All right, see ya. Mike, what are you talking to those guys about? Well, those guys just gave me your stool sample report. Habwa gave you a stool report? Well, those guys weren't from Habwa. They said they were from the lab. Your doctor sent them over here. They said that everything looks good, except you need to eat more fiber. That was for a lab report? How big of a sample do they need?